Wow. Oh, there's Monkey Pants. What's the matter, Monkey Pants? Oh, it's hailing now.
Yeah, I told Monkey inside.
Oh, get inside. Come on. Oh, snap. It's like hailing.
I really hope it's like 50 miles an hour. So cool. Woo!
Wow. Look at that hail.
Some chips on my ear. Okay. Oh, it's all good. See ya.
Still hailing, Zachariah. Get in here. Look how deep the water is now, though.
I'm watching the video.
It's up to the step on the RV. Dude.
Yeah, same.
Wow.
Not hailing anymore. I'm going out, Dad.
It's almost halfway up the wheels on the RV. Yeah. So past bug ankles on the sidewalk. Bug, you do know this is going on Facebook, right?
Yeah. Woo!
I wish I could go out there in this. It's up to Abby's knees out there. That's awesome. Wow. How deep is the cul-de-sac? So if anybody senses a cold water challenge, there it is. Whoa! Lightning, get out of there. Playtime over. We're not playing the what? Get out of there. That'll be videotaping our.
Do the winter challenge in the street, guys. It just started. That's the new winter challenge. Hailing is back.
And it's coming back even harder now. Wow.
Like a bus.
We might be sleeping upstairs.